Hello and welcome to the Chedi Muscat. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my room, or my suite rather, suite number 1033. So quickly to tell you a little bit about the hotel. It opened in 2003. It's aging very well. The structure is beautiful, it remains beautiful. It was designed by Jean-Michel Gathy, who is a specialist in really posh hotels. And it's the Chedi Hotel Group flagship property. So I'm in the living room. You've had a bit of a look around. You can see there's spirits in the corner. They're complimentary because in this room category, those drinks are free. That also includes free soft drinks and beers from the minibar here, as you can see as well. This room category also includes its own private terrace space. I'll give you a quick look here. It is really hot out, very humid. It's a nice view, isn't it? This resort also has one of the fanciest pools you'll find in the Middle East. It has numerous pools, but the main one is 103 meters in length. And I hope to go swim in it soon. Here is the bedroom area. It's quite minimalist in style, very calm. I slept nicely here. You again have that view out. Tea and coffee making facilities down there. You can kind of make me out there. Going into the bathroom, this room category has these deep sunken tubs. Plenty of room for two people there. There I am again. Shower over here. They use this brand of toiletry, which I'm unfamiliar with, Amouage, if I'm saying that correctly. Toilet over there to the left. Your second sink there. Storage, wardrobe space, safe in there, and more there again. And you get a beach bag there too. So that's it. A quick tour of my suite at the Chedi Muscat in Oman.